Hi friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss Current Affairs of May 3, 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PSC, etc. First question. Who has won the Portuguese Grand Prix for 97th career victory? Answer. Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton delivered a flawless drive in his Mercedes to win the Portuguese Grand Prix on Sunday from his arch title rival Max Verstappen. Second question. 61st Foundation Day of Maharashtra and Gujarat was celebrated on which day? Answer. May 1st. The state of Maharashtra marks the 61st Foundation Day on Sunday 1 May 2021 every year. 1 May is celebrated as Maharashtra Day along with Gujarat Day as both states were formed in this date. Third question. Max 1407 is a variety of which crop that found recently by Indian scientists? Answer. Soybean. Scientists in India have developed a high yielding and pest resistant variety of soybean, Max 1407. This is new variety is suitable for cultivation in Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Assam and northeastern states. The seeds of Max 1407 will be made available to the farmers for sowing during 2022 Kharif season. Fourth question. When is World Tuna Day celebrated? Answer. May 2. Every year on May 2, World Tuna Day is observed to spread awareness among people about tuna fish, regarding sustainable fishing practices and how they have become endangered species due to high demand for their meat. Fifth question. Who will be representing India in G7 Foreign Ministers meeting which will be held in UK? Answer. S. Jaishankar. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar will on Monday begin a 4-day visit to United Kingdom to participate in G7 Foreign Ministers meeting and to hold bilateral meetings with British interlocutors. Sixth question. Who has been appointed as the 4th Deputy Governor of RBI? Answer. T. Ravishankar. The Appointments Committee of Cabinet has approved the appointment of Sri T. Ravishankar, Executive Director, Reserve Bank of India, to the post of Deputy Governor, Reserve Bank of India for a period of 3 years from the date of joining the post until the further orders, whichever is earlier, the government said. Seventh question. Name the former BCCI selector and Rajasthan first class cricketer who passed away recently. Answer. Kishan Rungta. Former BCCI selector and Rajasthan captain Kishan Rungta died of COVID-19 at a hospital in Jaipur. He was 88 years old. The veteran administration tested positive for the virus last week and died on Saturday. Eighth question. Who will become the new Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu declared recently? Answer. M.K. Stalin. The current 15th Legislative Assembly will conclude its term on 24 May 2021. The result was announced on May 2. M.K. Stalin, the leader of DMK, won the election with 133 constituency seats and became the 8th Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Chief Minister of Kerala will be Pinarayi Vijayan. Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee. Ninth question. Who has granted emergency financial rights to all defense services? Answer. Rajnath Singh. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on Friday granted emergency financial powers to the armed force that will allow formation commanders to make urgent procurements to set up health facilities for COVID-19 patients. 10th question. Which company announced $10 million emergency aid to India? Answer, Boeing. Boeing on Friday announced USD 10 million emergency assistance package to support India's COVID-19 response. 11th question. Who becomes the first female vice president to be displayed in Madame Tussauds Wax Museum? Answer, Kamala Harris. The first ever female vice president of United States, Kamala Harris, will soon be making more history, for her wax statue will be displayed on Madame Tussauds Wax Museum in New York City for the first time. 12th question. Which country became the second country to officially record 4 lakh COVID deaths? Answer, Brazil. Brazil on Thursday became the second country to officially top lakh COVID-19 deaths, losing one other 1 lakh lives in just 1 month. As some health experts warn, there may be gruesome days ahead when the southern hemisphere enters winter. 13th question. Which IIT has recently converted an existing nitrogen plant into an oxygen generator? Answer, IIT Bombay. Process relies on simple technological invention of converting a PSA nitrogen unit into PSA oxygen unit. 14th question. When is National Weather Observers Day celebrated? Answer, May 4th. National Weather Observers Day on May 4th provides a day for the people who enjoy watching and observing the weather. Weather observers often assist the National Weather Service as storm spotters. 15th question. What is Bharat Biotech's new vaccine price for state government? Answer, Rs 400. Covaxin maker Bharat Biotech on Thursday said it will supply the vaccine to state government at 400 per dose.